What's going on, guys? Anthony here from AO Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is safe. Man, I don't know, is this quarantine thing just about done? What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna go like 2 more weeks, a month, 2 months? I mean, it's anybody's guess, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. Today we've got a video that's going to be a little bit different. It's something that we haven't done before. I'm going to introduce you to somebody that's been behind the scenes for a long time, which I'm really excited about that. And then we're just going to show you around the studio. Like, it's funny. I've got a lot of viewers that don't realize where my studio actually is, and they don't realize that they've been in the studio before. It's pretty crazy. So once they start noticing some of the key things, like the wood wall here and things like that, all of a sudden they put it all together and they're just like mind blown, I guess. All right, so what you've all been waiting for, guys, is the epic studio reveal. Ready? Oh, wait, don't take it just yet. Let me tell you why I'm doing this. We've had the YouTube channel for about a year now. We're starting to get some growth. We've got like 1,800 subscribers. I mean, I look back a year ago, making these videos, I had like 2, 10, 30. I got excited at 50 subscribers. So I just want to say, like, take the time to say thank you. I really appreciate it. And this video is for you guys. I appreciate your time, effort, love, support, all that stuff. All right, here we go. Big reveal. Take the camera. Cooler than I thought, but yeah, let's just take a look around. So normally this is it right here, guys. This is the epic wood wall. I'll turn the lights on in here in just a minute so you can actually see what's going on, but we are going to be remodeling. We're going to be getting in a couple of new desks, a new rug, and some new chairs. I don't know, does this bother anyone right here, this part right here? That just means I get a lot of stuff done. It means I get a lot of work done. There is some what am I trying to say? There are some, you would think it'd be worn right here, but it's not. It's worn here and here, but whatever, either way. All right, and then what else you guys want to see? So this is the main one. Oh, check this out. So back behind the chair, how I get the really cool blue lighting. You ready for this big reveal? Boom! There it is, guys. That's the secret to lighting. That's how we get the cool blue light on the wood wall back here. Alright, and then don't pay any attention over here. This part, all this. That's a work in progress. So, my special guest for today, the man behind the scenes, the man that does a lot of our videography, especially when we go on site, we go to the gyms and we do special events. It's my son, Brennan. Say what's up to the AO Fitness fam.
What's up, boys? So usually, whenever he's talking to you guys, it's kind of funny. I'm sitting behind the camera, and he's saying some weird stuff to you guys. It's kind of like he's talking to you guys, but...
How hard is it? Like, because there's sometimes, I know there's some funny moments, right?
Oh, yeah.
Stuff that just doesn't make it on the channel, right? Mm-hmm. And how hard is it for you to not laugh sometimes?
There's some times where I can keep it together, but sometimes we have to take some shots over again because I just can't. It's too funny. Or we just leave it in there. There's been some times where I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but I'll say something and you'll hear this behind the camera, and I can hear it because I knew it happened, but I don't know. I'm gonna get some light on the subject. So there it is, guys. So here's the part where I do like the majority of the 2-Minute Tuesdays, and this is where we do like more of like the what's up and like interviews and like local celebrity stuff. We do it all right here. And hand sanitizer, don't forget that. Did you use some too? That would defeat the purpose. Let's not do that. All right, so I get a lot of people ask about like my obsession with Deadpool. So as you can see, I've got a lot of Deadpool stuff over here. I don't know, it's just been one of those things since I was like, I don't know, 13, 14. I got into like comic books pretty heavily. And Deadpool just stuck out because he wasn't a hero, he wasn't a villain. But then he was a hero and he's a villain. He's kind of plays both sides, doesn't have any rules, kind of do whatever he wants. So kind of doesn't have a boss, kind of like me. No, well, except for the wife, she's the boss. Don't tell her I said that. Yeah, so all this stuff has been collected over years. This is my prized possession here. This is the one from San Diego Comic-Con quite a few years ago. The cool thing is it's
it's a Deadpool versus Deadpool, and it's a cover variant. They only made like 1,000 of them. And then this one happens to be signed by Stan Lee, which I believe only like 100 of those were signed. So that's pretty cool. I bought it for like 130 bucks. Now it's, well, over 13, 14, 1,500 bucks. It's pretty crazy, especially the condition it's in. So that's cool. And then Deadpool, I got like Mike's Hard Lemonade, Deadpool series, all that stuff. Like, it's all about Deadpool for sure. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. The most comments I get about this setup here is definitely going to be this. It's just totally random. Nintendo, like the original NES system. I was just in love with Nintendo. It's like all I had. I was a poor kid growing up in the projects, and that's like all I had was a Nintendo. So that's like everything to me right there. Oh, and these are still sitting here. I don't know why. This whole quarantine thing, Amanda and Alex, you guys know them for the channel. They were supposed to do the Spicy Ramen Challenge with me, and because of the quarantine, we got to put it on hold. So stay tuned, guys. That's for sure happening. So what do you enjoy doing this? Is it fun?
It's I don't know. It's just something that I wanted to try for the longest time, ever since I was a little kid. I mean, like, I remember pulling out my old, what was it, HTC Vive that I had, and I was trying to do vlogs, so that was kind of where it kind of started off. But I don't know, now I'm just filming for you. So he does have a YouTube channel. No, don't even, dude.
Okay, so the only way I'm giving you the link to his channel is you have to comment on this video, and you have to beg me to give you the link. It's worth the watch, I promise. You got to see some of his videos.
So bad, dude.
But anyway, here's one thing that like took me forever to figure out was lighting all of this right here, because you've got like your normal lighting up here and around, and like I wanted to have an effect where I was bright and the background was a little bit darker. So like I went through literally 4 different lights until I found the softbox, and this one works pretty good here. So, and normally this stuff is all put away, but again, I'm in the middle of like moving everything around, so this place just looks horrible. This desk is going to be going away. It's a good desk. It's been a sturdy desk. It's got the cherry finish with the black accents. It's got plenty of drawers. I am trying to sell it to you. If you guys need a desk and you live in the Brighton area, hit me up. I do want to get rid of this thing for next to nothing. We're going to come in with 2 new desks. You guys know I'm transitioning into real estate. I got my buddy Jeff Tefano. He's going to be taking up a space over here. And together we'll be doing videos possibly on another channel, so stay tuned. But this wall, the wood wall, we're going to continue all the way over. This is a really cool like DIY trick. Here, check this out. So I went over to Lowe's and I grabbed a few boxes of these. All it is like, it's laminate, right? But it has like a sticky back. And then, so what I did is I stuck them up there, and then, oh, this is a horrible story. Check this out. All of those over there, oh, that whole wall right there, I stuck up one day, and I got them all put up there, and I went and helped a customer, and then like 90% of them were on the floor. So the sticky back doesn't work that great for the wall, so you do have to use some like tacks or like some nails. And so that's what I'm working on now, is trying to get all this done over here. I'm going to try and continue it all the way over. We'll have 2 desks. This is a massive rug. It's like 12 feet by like 10 feet or something crazy, but that'll go underneath them. And we got a couple new chairs coming in, some new lighting. It's gonna be pretty dope. All right, looks like it's time to open the store, so let's do that real quick. Check this out. Here's the store. I bet most of you guys didn't even know that this store was attached to the studio. So this is what I do every day. We're on reduced hours right now, like 12 to 6 Monday through Saturday. But man, it's crazy. But I'm here just about every single day. Rest in peace, Rich Piana, right there. What do you guys think? Are you guys fans of Rich Piana, or did you hate him? You think he was a genius? Think he worked hard? What do you guys think? Good old free, commercial-free Pandora listening here. It's random. One Republic? Demonetized. All right, let's turn these lights on. So guys, this is BeastRx. This is the supplement store here in Brighton. With the quarantine right now, business is slow, if I'm being honest. Like, we've got some online sales, which is cool, but it's like one of those things where we've got a little bit of sales and it's helping to keep the lights on. but not a lot for resale. So if you want to support me, go to beastdayever.com, place an order on there. What's online is what's in the store. But anyway, so where are you at today? Like, what platforms are you on right now? Instagram, Snapchat?
I'm on Instagram. I have a photography account, actually. I just recently posted, so you guys can go check that out. It's _BOwens_.
I got you.
And then, other than that, I'm on Twitch sometimes. I'm going to start streaming again soon. I found someone that I could stream with. I just stream some video games like Rocket League or Minecraft.
Rocket League, guys.
League of Legends.
That's my favorite game.
You know where it's at.
I love Rocket League. I'm like not very good at all. Like he carries me on every game, but I'm die hard. Like I won't give up and I just keep trying. But whatever. I think at some point I'll get better. But anyways, I mean, how many videos do you think we've done so far? Like 10, 11, 12 maybe?
No, more than that.
More than that? Because we got what, like 50 something videos on there. So you've done quite a few with me.
Yeah.
Yep. You guys know Alex Esparza. He's been on the channel a couple times. Mr. Tough Guy, Mr. like, oh, I got him so good. So he is, he works in the store from time to time and he helps us out. So he sent me a text and he was like, hey, I'm coming in to pick up some supplements, blah, blah, blah. And I rebuilt a PC for him, so he's coming to pick it up. So he, I get a notification, alarm goes off and he comes in, right? And he's standing right here and he's ringing up his supplements, right? So he's standing here, he's ringing it up. Well, I jump on our security camera. Oh my God. My security camera is right here, right? And so like, and I've been wanting to do this forever, and it just happened to be the perfect opportunity to do it to somebody, and it just happened to be Alex, so it was so amazing. So he's standing here, he's fat fingering the freaking screen, and he's trying to figure it out, and he's scratching his head. Well, it's quiet in here, it's dark, it's quiet, and on here I come in and I go, like super loud like that. And hopefully I've got the video to show you, but he goes like this, he goes, like he just freaked out. And then like I did it again and he was like, oh, he was so upset. He was, because he couldn't figure out where it was, because that was new, he hadn't seen it yet. But oh my God, it was epic. I'd never seen someone so scared in their life. But there is some truth to it though. Like you look at like Amanda and Jay and Alex and everybody that's worked here, and some of the other guys that have worked here in the store, they've always said that there was like a ghost in here, it was haunted, or I've never had that feeling. But do you want me to show you where the haunt is coming from? They don't know. I know where it's coming from. Here, come on, I'll show you. Too, if you guys own a business or like run events or things like that, like if you need somebody to do videography for you, this is the guy right here. We've got quite a few people just right here in Brighton that have already hired him, and the work is just phenomenal. So anyways, I don't know, what's next for us? What do we do next?
Shoot, I don't know. The channel started popping off pretty recently, so yeah, I guess it's all up to just the ideas and popping out content. So
if you guys want me to hire him on full time, you've got to like the video, every video. You got to comment on every video. You got to share every video. You got to watch each video at least 632 times so we can get the watch time up.
Monetize him. Him.
No, how cool would that be? Like if we could do that together, I think that'd be awesome.
That'd be cool. Life goals.
Okay, so if you look back here, so this is another part of the store, and we don't really go back here. It is like an old entrance to the building. It's in this door right here. It's right back here. So when you open this up, it's all brick in there. It's cobwebs. It's pretty bad. Do you guys want to you want to see in there? Let's just take a look.
Dora the Explorer style. Where's the ghost? Where's the ghost?
Swiper, no swiping. What? You see the ghost? Point it out on the screen. Okay. There it is. The dungeon. Boom, boom, boom. Here, let's shine some light on there. See if we can get some light going. See, it's gross back there. Look at all the cobwebs. So we use this as kind of like a storage, a catch-all, but it stinks.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's pretty rough back here. There's some old security gates for the building. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So anyways, there's also there's a loft here that before the owners of this building restored it, it was bad. Like it was condemned and there was no, like the flooring was all shot, everything was bad. But I think that's where they would hear people up there. Nobody lived there, but they would hear people up there. Here in the next couple of months, as soon as school is out, well, officially school is out.
Yeah.
We're gonna get him registered for Colorado real estate. So he's gonna get that. So 18 years old, once he turns 18, he's gonna be a licensed real estate agent, working with me, selling some deals. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, not only that, but if you guys go hop onto the other channel, which is not officially yet, but when it does come out, you might see me doing some of the cinematography for the houses.
Yep.
So
absolutely. So we got a bathroom back here, a place to wash your hands.
You put it in the toilet?
There's a toilet. And then those are all BeastRx shaker cups. Like, we were scared because it was like right before like the whole coronavirus stuff, like a month before, and we're scared to open it. I'm just kidding, just cut that out. And then check this out. So this is like an iron or steel door. This whole thing shuts off. This used to be a gun place before, so they had it all secured so no one could break in or whatever. And then let's check out the back. Ooh, bright light. So you guys have seen this a few times on some of the videos where I do my intros out here, but this is a really dope spot. Like, if you're a photographer, you can get like the coolest like backgrounds in bokeh with the brick, and then like depending on what time of day it is, the sun hits it differently. And then, all right, anything else to add? Are we good? We're golden?
we're just gonna say, like, subscribe, and do something epic.
So hey, real quick too though, I do want to say officially that I appreciate everything that you do for me, even though there's not like a whole lot of money involved in it yet for you. I just want to say I appreciate our time together and everything you do for the channel. I really do appreciate it.
It's fun. I enjoy it.
Cool. All right guys, so that is it for today's episode. I hope you liked it. Literally, I hope you smashed that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Guys, as always, I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support. I usually say get out there and do something epic, but like, we're quarantined, so do something epic in your house or something. Wash the dogs or so, I don't know. Anyway, just cut the video. We're done. Just cut the video.